Here's how to customize checkout page and edit checkout settings on Shopify. So you can easily customize checkout page by doing these simple steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end and not miss a single step. Guys, I'm serious, if you miss any single step, so you won't know how you can customize or edit checkout page. So first of all, you make sure you have your right account of Shopify and you have logged in. So how do you log in? You go to Shopify, you search up Shopify on your web browser. And when you do this, you just go to Shopify and press login. So when you press on login, it will show all of your like active and inactive websites. Just click on the shop that's active. So once you've done, you'll be here. So how do you customize your checkout page? So there are a few things that you have to make sure. First few things are that you basically have to like put products and everything, like name your shop and make sure that everything is done. After that, just go ahead, and when you're done editing everything, go to online store. When you go to online store, it will bring you up to this whole theme page. So as all can see, when you're here, just press customize, and it will bring up here to your online store website. So it will take a few. So as all can see, that this is my current website store, and as all can see, it's pretty basic and I haven't added anything, but we don't want to edit this. We want to edit our checkout page. So how do you go to checkout page? You click on this arrow next to home page, just click on it, and you'll see a lot of options over here. So when you go down, you'll see cart and checkout. So you don't want to go to cart, you have to go to checkout basically. So when you're here, as all can see, my checkout page is very basic. So what you have to do in checkout is as all can see is just put your number, and this is very basic, and I haven't put it any background picture, any logos. So how do you put it? As all can see, for the mobile it's literally the same and it's showing. So how do you do that? So how do you edit it? So as all can see, this edit setting over here, theme settings, when you click on it, as all can see, it has many options over here. So it got logo, it got colors, it got typography, it got layout, it got animations, it got buttons, it got variant pulls, and many more. So first of all, let's change our logo. So how do you change your logo? So as all can see, it says select image or explore free images. So for y'all, I'm just gonna put in random images. Cause wait, let me just get some just to make the theme. We search up PS5 cause I've been selling PS5 over here. So let's just put this one over here, save image, and add images. This one, press. As you can see, I've got it and it's processing. There we go. So I'm just gonna press and done. And I've added my logo. Now I will add my favicon image. So for the favicon image, we're just gonna add this one. I'm just gonna add some random PS5 pictures, and you know what you want for your logo and everything. So it's better just you could select your own, and I'm just gonna put some random pictures. It's in processing, so yeah, there we go. Done. There we go. Now we'll go to colors, and color schemes can be applied to sections throughout your online store. So you can just put colors on your sections of your online store. So I want my text to be let's match black and white. So I want my text to be black, and solid bottom background to be black, and yeah, it's already matching my black and white theme, so I don't want to bother change it. So typography. So typography is basically your font, so you can basically change your font. I want to put something futuristic. Is there any future font?
Where is it in that?
I'm just gonna put something random over here, just like this one, select. Alright. We got it. Now we want our font size to be a little bit more bigger. Alright. We can add assistant and fall scale. So when we go to layout, in layout you have to customize your page width and space between templates and grid and horizontal space and vertical space. So once you do that, you got animations settings that you, if you want to like your settings, vertical lift, 3D lift. So it depends on you what which one you want. And for the buttons, you can just choose any one you want, and you do your settings. That's up to you. Ramples, just do whatever you want in over here, and as it suits you. I cannot tell how it's basically customization, and customization can be up to anyone. And so product cards, so how do you want your card to be? And I am just basically gonna stay it normal and gonna go through everything. And collection cards, I just gotta stay normal. And drop down and pop-ups, media, content containers. All right. So once you do all that, you can add your social media links, as you all can see. So there's your Facebook, there's your Instagram. So I can add YouTube. Let me add a random YouTube link just so y'all can clarify how you can do this. So there we go, YouTube home. And let me copy this. Copy. And when we actually put a PS5 for here, we'll do our basically copy and paste it. All right, we got the links. Search behavior. Not show product price. All right, currency format. All right, cart. You can just basically, and for the checkout, you can just put in your banners and whatever you want. Background color, and I'm just gonna go for blues right over here, blues and whites. All right. So yeah, just add background images. I'm just gonna select a PS5 image again. This one. All right.
So then was like
Cool. Now we add this one. I'm just gonna add up pictures just like that. More pictures. And the last one. Exactly. All right. Pretty much added every picture, and custom CSS is basically your custom styles to entire online store. So once you've done that, just now, as you all can see, once you've done that, press save. And your changes have been saved. And pretty much that, as you all can see, I've like done like pretty random stuff. But once you've like done that thing, it will basically show everything. As you all can see, I gave like really some random pictures, but if you do a better job customizing it, you'll just get a better customization. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can customize a checkout page and edit checkout settings on Shopify. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and until then, peace out.